Alright guys, so this is another ceiling fan in my grandmother's house. It is a very nice fan, and it's also one of my childhood fans. And I should have recorded those two fans since I started making them, but unfortunately I didn't have time. And without further ado, let's get into the demonstration. It runs pretty quiet. I'm starting to feel some air now. I'm starting to feel a bit of air right now. It's wobbling a lot, but it's a good amount of air. Have a good day.